Do you remember the initials we learned before?
Of course. Bo, po, mo, for. Also, now I can address my parents, Mama and Baba, mother and father.
Wow, cool! Let's continue to learn some more initials.
Okay.
D, T, N, L, G, K, H, J, Qi, Xi. Firstly, let's see D, T, N, L. They're pronounced by the coordination of the tongue tip and the upper gums. We add a after them when we read D, T, N, L. L is a little different from the other three. Your tongue touches the gums gently, and the airflow comes out from the two sides of your tongue. Now, can you read these four initials?
No problem. D, T, N, L.
It's easy, right?
Yes.
Now, let's practice some syllables beginning with these initials. D, U, du. T, I, ti. N, ü, nü. L, a, la. Next, G, K, H. They're produced with the coordination of the back of the tongue and the soft palate. We also add a after them when we read. G. The back of your tongue holds against the soft palate, and then your tongue drops suddenly. G, G, G. K. The airflow is stronger than G. K, K, K. H. The back of the tongue is close to the soft palate. Leave some space between them to let the airflow rush out. H. Just like H in hello. Don't pronounce it like H or H. H, H, H. Now, can you read these three initials?
Of course I can. G, K, H.
Good. Can you read these following syllables beginning with these initials?
I'll try. G, G, K, A, Ka. H, H.
Lastly, Ji, Qi, Xi. They're produced with coordination between the tongue surface and the hard palate. We add E after them when we read. Ji. The tongue should touch here, and then a gap is opened to let the air rush out. Ji, ji, ji. Qi. Here, the airflow is stronger than ji. Qi, qi, qi. Xi. Your tongue surface does not touch the hard palate. Xi, xi, xi. Now, let's read them one more time.
Ji, qi, xi.
Good. Pay attention, the shape of your mouth is like a smile. Ji, qi, xi. Okay, here are some syllables beginning with these initials. Ji, yi, ji. Qi, yu, qu. Xi, yi, xi. It should be noted that ji, qi, xi can only be combined with yi, yu, and compound finals beginning with yi, yu. For convenience, we drop the 2 dots of yu when it is written after ji, qi, xi, but still read yu. Please read. Ju, qu, xu. Now, let's have a review of what we learned in this video. D, t, n, l, g, k, h, ji, qi, xi.
Can I try?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay. D, t, n, l, g, k, h, ji, qi, xi.
That's wonderful. You made great progress. Now use what you learned to practice more.
Thanks. I will.
See you next time.
Bye bye.